In this video, we will look at the formulas of simple straight line graphs. This includes horizontal lines, vertical lines, the main diagonal line, and the downwards diagonal line. Here is a horizontal line. How do we find its formula? We can pick some points on the line and find their coordinates. This point 1, 3 is on the line. The point 3, 3 is also on the line. So is the point -2, 3. There is a pattern. Whatever the value of x, y is always equal to 3. The formula for this line is y equals 3. This means that every point where y is 3 will be on the line, and any point where y is not 3 will not be on the line. This second line in magenta has the formula y equals -2. Looking at some of the points on the line, they each have a y value of -2. And this orange line has a formula y equals 0. Every point on this line has a y value of 0. In fact, every horizontal line has a formula y equals a, where a tells us the position of the line. If a is greater than 0, the line is above the x-axis. If a is 0, the line is on the x-axis. If a is less than 0, the line is below the x-axis. Here is a vertical line. Again, we will find its formula. Here are 3 points on the line. They are 2, 1, 2, 3, and 2, -3. These points also follow a pattern. Whatever the value of y, x is always equal to 2. In this case, the line only controls the x value, so the formula involves x rather than y. The line has a formula x equals 2. This second line in magenta has a formula x equals -3. Every point on the line has an x value of -3. And this orange line has a formula x equals 0. Every point on the line has an x value of 0. Every vertical line has a formula x equals a, where a tells us the position of the line. If a is greater than 0, the line is to the right of the y-axis. If a is 0, the line is on the y-axis. If a is less than 0, the line is to the left of the y-axis. The main diagonal line goes through the origin at an angle of 45 degrees. Here are some sample points on the line. These are 1, 1, 3, 3, and -3, -3. This time the pattern is slightly different. For every point, the values of x and y are equal. So this line has the formula y equals x. The main negative going diagonal line goes through the origin at an angle of 45 degrees, but in the downhill direction. The point 2, -2 is on the line, so are 3, -3 and -2, 2. In this case, for every point on the line, the value of y is a negative of the x value. So the formula for this line is y equals -x. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or visit graphicmaths.com. The link is in the description below.